Hello everyone, today I'm sharing falsa Sharbat recipe. Begin by cleaning and washing the falsa. Blend gently, just break the fruit without blending the seed. I used about 1.5 kg falsa and I added just enough water to dip my falsas while blending. That's it. Complete recipe is in the caption. So here I am blending the falsa juice with the sugar so it is mixed very well, and then I will transfer it to the popsicles. Here I do the taste test and it tastes so good. You can use popsicles, glasses or disposable glasses, whatever you have, but make sure you're not using aluminium popsicles or kulfi mold because aluminium can react with the acid of the juice and cause diarrhea. Now the remaining pulp still has a lot of juice, so I will add some water to it and then I will make some sharbat for myself. Like and share the video and go and quickly make the falsa popsicles, and don't forget to put the ice cream sticks in it, and with the remaining pulp bake your sharbat. Enjoy!